Hello, my friends. Welcome to NoPause English. I'm Emma, and I'm really glad you're here. This is day 15 of your 21-day challenge. Speak English without overthinking. If you're new here and want to start from the beginning, you can find the link to day 1 in the description below. Today, we're going to talk about movies, what you want to watch, and how to choose something together. Here's how it works. First, listen and repeat. Then, respond on your own. Let's begin.
So, what should we watch tonight?
I don't know. What's on?
Let me check. There's an action movie, a comedy, and a horror movie.
I'm not really in the mood for horror. I just want something easy to watch.
Same here. I don't want anything too scary tonight.
Then what about the comedy?
I saw the trailer yesterday. It actually looks pretty funny.
Really? Who's in it?
I think Ryan Reynolds is in it. I heard it's really good.
And what about the action movie?
It looks interesting, but it's over 2 hours long.
Oh no, that's too long. I'll probably fall asleep.
So, comedy then?
Yeah, let's watch something fun.
Good. That was part 1 of the conversation. Did you understand the main ideas? If it felt a bit difficult, that's fine. Just go back and listen again. Now, let's go over some useful phrases you heard. What's on? We use this to ask what movies or shows are available to watch. For example, let's see what's on after dinner. In the mood for something. This means wanting a particular type of movie, food, or activity. For example, I'm in the mood for something funny tonight. Who's in it? We use this to ask which actors are in a movie or show. For example, that movie looks interesting. Who's in it? Easy to watch. This means something simple, relaxing, and not too serious. For example, after work, I prefer movies that are easy to watch. Now let's shadow the conversation together. Listen carefully, copy the rhythm, and speak with me.
So, what should we watch tonight?
I don't know. What's on?
Let me check. There's an action movie, a comedy, and a horror movie.
I'm not really in the mood for horror. I just want something easy to watch.
Same here. I don't want anything too scary tonight.
Then what about the comedy?
I saw the trailer yesterday. It actually looks pretty funny.
Really? Who's in it?
I think Ryan Reynolds is in it. I heard it's really good.
And what about the action movie?
It looks interesting, but it's over 2 hours long.
Oh no, that's too long. I'll probably fall asleep.
So, comedy then?
Yeah, let's watch something fun.
Good work. Now let's make it more real. I'm going to say a situation and you respond out loud. Don't think too much, just speak. Then listen and repeat after me. Your friend asks what you want to watch tonight. You want something light and fun. What do you say? You can say, I'm in the mood for a comedy, something easy to watch. Or, I just want something fun, nothing too serious. Now your turn. How do you say what kind of movie you want to watch? You turn on the TV and want to see what's available. What do you say? You can say, let me check what's on. Or, let's see what we can watch tonight. Now your turn. How do you say you want to check what movies are available? Your friend suggests a movie, but you're not sure about it. You want to know more about it. What do you ask? Interesting. How long is it? Or, I don't know that movie. Who's in it? Now your turn. How do you ask more questions about the movie? Your friend suggests a long action movie. You're too tired for that. What do you say? It's too long, I'll probably fall asleep. Or, I'm too tired for that. I want something shorter. Now your turn. How do you say a movie is too long for you right now? And last one. Your friend asks if you're okay with watching a horror movie. You don't want that tonight. What do you say? I'm not really in the mood for horror tonight. Or, I don't feel like horror tonight. Let's watch something fun. Now your turn. How do you say you don't want a particular type of movie? Good work. Now let's continue the conversation.
So, how was the movie? Did you like it?
Honestly, it was better than I expected.
Yeah, same. I thought it would be boring, but it was actually really funny.
Yeah, my favorite part was the restaurant scene.
Really? I liked the ending more.
Oh yeah, the ending was good too. I didn't see that coming.
Same. I was surprised by it. And the main actor was really good.
He really was. He made the movie much more entertaining.
True. Overall, it was fun to watch. It was actually worth watching.
Yeah, it wasn't predictable, which I liked.
Same. I think the ending made the whole movie better.
I'm glad we picked this one.
Okay, that was the end of today's conversation. If it felt a little fast, listen one more time. Now, let's look at a couple of useful phrases from this part. Favorite scene. This means the part of the movie you liked the most. For example, my favorite scene was at the end of the movie. I didn't see that coming. We say this when something surprising happens. For example, the ending shocked me. I didn't see that coming. Worth watching. This means a movie is good enough to spend time watching. For example, it's a slow movie, but it's definitely worth watching. Predictable. This means it's easy to guess what will happen next. For example, the story was a little predictable. Ending. This means the final part of a movie, show, or story. For example, I really liked the ending of that movie. All right, now we're going to shadow this conversation. Let's do it again. Listen and speak out loud with me.
So, how was the movie? Did you like it?
Honestly, it was better than I expected.
Yeah, same. I thought it would be boring. but it was actually really funny.
Yeah, my favorite part was the restaurant scene.
Really? I liked the ending more.
Oh yeah, the ending was good too. I didn't see that coming.
Same, I was surprised by it. And the main actor was really good.
He really was. He made the movie much more entertaining.
True. Overall, it was fun to watch. It was actually worth watching.
Yeah, it wasn't predictable, which I liked.
Same. I think the ending made the whole movie better.
I'm glad we picked this one.
Good work! Now let's use this in real conversation. I'm going to say a situation. You answer out loud first. Then listen and repeat after me. Your friend asks what you thought of a movie you just watched. It was better than you expected. What do you say? You can say, honestly, it was better than I expected. Or, I didn't think I'd like it, but it was actually worth watching. Now your turn. How do you say a movie was better than you thought? Your friend asks about your favorite part of a movie. What do you say? You can say, my favorite scene was at the beginning. It was so funny. Or, I loved the ending. I didn't expect it at all. Now your turn. How do you talk about your favorite part of a movie? You watched a thriller and the ending completely surprised you. What do you say? You can say, I didn't see that coming at all. It was so unexpected. Or, the ending wasn't predictable. I had no idea that would happen. Now your turn. How do you react to a surprising moment in a movie? Your friend asks if a movie is good enough to watch. What do you say? You can say, yeah, it's definitely worth watching. You'll enjoy it. Or, it's a bit slow at first, but it's worth watching. Now your turn. How do you recommend a movie to someone? And last one. Your friend asks what you didn't like about a movie. What do you say? You can say, it was a bit predictable. I guessed the ending early. Or, the story was okay, but a little predictable. Now your turn. How do you say a movie wasn't very surprising? Nice job! If you found this lesson useful, give the video a like. It really helps and lets me know you want more videos like this. And if you want to follow this challenge, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. Before we finish, here's a small challenge for you. Use the words and ideas from today's lesson and answer out loud. Let's start easy. What kind of movies do you usually like? Action, comedy, horror? Nice. What was the last movie you watched? Was it worth watching? Good. Have you ever watched a movie that surprised you? What happened? Okay. What's your favorite movie scene of all time? Why do you like it? Nice. And last one, if you could recommend one movie to everyone watching this video right now, which one would it be and why? Perfect. Feel free to share your answers in the comments so we can all learn together. You can also practice by talking to yourself. Think about your favorite movies, a scene you loved, or a movie that surprised you. Great work today. You've completed day 15 of your 21-day challenge. Today, you practiced real-life English about movies, talking about what to watch, sharing your opinion after a film, and describing what you liked or didn't like. Remember, the goal is not perfect grammar. The goal is to speak without overthinking. If you want to improve faster, go back and repeat the conversation one more time, then do the shadowing again out loud. That repetition is what builds fluency. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss day 16. And if you have ideas for topics you want to practice, leave a comment. We're building this together. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I'll see you tomorrow here at NoPause English Lab.